It's pretty common for clients who are considering a divorce to ask me, do I really need a divorce attorney to handle my divorce? While certainly there's a right to represent yourself at any time, I really think there are a lot of good reasons to hire a divorce attorney. It's, frankly, unfamiliar territory. Most people are not in court all the time. And because it's unfamiliar, it can add to an already emotional situation. There's a lot of rules. Where do I stand? When do I file things? What do I file? How do I file them? What are the rules that apply? All of that uncertainty can just add to the emotion of a really hard situation. A divorce attorney knows all of that. And in our office, we have a full legal team. So there's a whole community of legal support who's very experienced, very comfortable, knows exactly what to do. And it's just amazing how having somebody who's got your back, who knows the rules of the road, can just take away a lot of that anxiety. Family law is a complex area of the law, even though it might seem commonsensical. More times than not, we've seen a lot of people who've made mistakes, didn't realize that they were entitled to certain things or that certain other issues are relevant, and they get into that continuing habit of listening to their spouse. I frequently say never take advice from your opposing party because your interests are not aligned. And a family law attorney can tell you what you need to know, what's important, what's relevant, and maybe make you aware of rights that you didn't know that you had. Also, I think it can level the playing field. If your spouse is represented by a divorce attorney and they say, don't worry, we'll work it out with each other and my lawyer's just gonna help us get it done. A lawyer can't represent both parties, and you're at great risk of being exploited by your lack of representation. Having a divorce attorney can help you keep your perspective. Divorce, by its very nature, is emotional. Grieving the loss of a relationship, things not going as planned, fear over your kids, and just having somebody who can help you kind of step back and look at things and put your best foot forward and tell your hero's journey about what you've been through, why you need certain relief, and putting it in a framework. And then helping you sort of understand the strengths and weaknesses and be honest with you about what the probabilities are, what the risks are, and strategies on how to address it. Family and friends love you. They want to support you. It's really difficult for them to tell you what you need to hear. And a divorce attorney who's experienced and who cares about you and your outcome has that unique perspective to give you some objectivity that you need to hear so that you don't go into court and get surprised. When clients are represented, I think they have the best chance for protection. One of the things we love to do is help clients be empowered to level the playing field so that they know at the end of the day they got the best outcome they could for their kids and for themselves financially, because it does have long-term consequences.